Once you have mastered Hado reading and you are able to read 10,000 books in a month, you will be eligible to join the Ichimankai. Once you are a member of the Ichimankai, then you will find yourself at the starting line for the serious development of your right brain. At Hegel, the first step to cultivating your genius powers is mastering Hado reading. The powers of instantaneous memorization and being able to study in an extremely short time, as well as having excellent abilities in both sports and the arts, to such an extent that others will feel ashamed that they lack these abilities, will gradually start to emerge. These are the powers which members of the Ichimankai exhibit. An IQ is calculated with 100 as the mean. An IQ of 80 is the border value for a special education class. 120 borders the top class, and an intelligence level of 140 is said to be required for passing the entrance exam for Tokyo University. One can see how Hegel is succeeding in improving the IQ by ability development. What former members of the Ichimankai have said after they became university students. I was able to develop my ability when I was at primary school, and I still profit from it now. Even though I don't study much, information seems to slip into my head so easily. I can solve formulas without even learning how to. If I read a 1,000-page English medical manual, it only takes about 2 days for all the facts to be lodged in my head. The inside of my head resembles a Google search engine. If I read one book, links to the contents of 100,000 other books are activated. Incredible Genius Zone. First, developing Basic Zone. Then, Implementation Zone. Finally, developing Incredible Genius Zone, an amazing domain where genius resides. Hegel is able to develop this domain. To compete in the global competition era of the 21st century and come out a winner, the development of an incredible genius zone is indispensable. Hegel Education has a 15-part guidance course system. Hegel Education has 5 purposes. 1. Enlarging vessel for the brain. 2. Drawing out multiple talents from the children's personalities. 3. Giving children self-confidence and exploiting potential. 4. To cultivate the power of the mind, EQ. 5. Cultivation of genuine thinking power. World's first, Hado reading brings out the genius within your child. Hegel. Education for the world. Hegel.